covered a lot of distance. We have met a cross section of people. The Margao open session was a great success. We had almost around 150 people participating in it, expressing their opinion about different aspects of Goa's future. Next meeting we are going to hold in Ancona, followed by Mandre, Vasco and Ponda. This process will be completed in the next 10 to 12 days. And we have received very good responses from the people. In fact, people have been expressing their anger at what has happened during the last 5 years. People have been expressing what exactly they were promised and those promises were not kept. And they expect the Congress to not just listen to them, but make a very solemn promise in their manifesto about what the party plans to do when they come to power after this election in 2022. And I think, we must promise them not just the skies, but something which we can always achieve. What is important is, my fear is that Goa has over the last few years lost its, the very soul. For various reasons we have lost our soul. Our lands are being sold left and right. People from all over the world are coming here to buy our lands. If that happens, of course, people may in the years to come see tall buildings, they may see high-five highways and things like that. But then where will the Goans be in that whole thing? This is what has been, troubling me all this time. We have seen what happened in Bombay. Bombay started growing, and ultimately the real Bombaykar, well, even today we can't find them anywhere. Go to Singapore, a big city. Everybody says, what, Singapore is a great city, or Calcutta is a big city, or New York is a big city. So that way the whole of Goa may become another New York or let's say Singapore or some other
But who is to be blamed for all this?
We all have
But
to
Singapore
be
job bare no.
The political parties have to be blamed. Singapore job bare, what you say is correct. But in bare in what sense? If the Goikar is not there in that Singapore of tomorrow, what good will it do? Of course, people from the world over may come, contribute their might, contribute their intelligence, contribute their services, and create a lot of wealth here. But will my Goikar be there?
Congress party किती करतली तर हे गोंयकार सांभाळपाक गोंयकार पण सांभाळपाक.
This is what the basic thing. We have to start with our own lands and see how far we can maintain, create sort of a atmosphere by which we can retain these lands for Goa. See whether we can work out some sort of a system by which we don't allow people to just manifesto will discuss this.
सर तुमका दिसता गोंयकार सांभाळपाक जातले कित्याक सांग आता तुमचे एमएलए तुमचे कडेन सांभाळपाक जाय पार्टीकडे
बाबा ते तू म्हणटा ते खरें बट
पार्टीन एमएलएच ना आता सगळे बसत आहा आता 4 जाणां उरल्या तेवूय वयतले अशें दिसता
politics is one thing and Goikarpan or whatever that is Goa is another thing. You remember why people objected Goa's merger in Maharashtra? They talked about Asmita, they talked about Goa's ethos, Goa's whatever, which they held so close to their hearts, and therefore Goa was retained as a separate entity.
तुमकडे गव्हर्नमेंटच ना जाल्यार तुम्ही काय सांभाळतले सगळे?
ताका लागून बरें गोंयाक सरकार हाडपाक जाय, बरे मनीस लोकांनी निवडून दिवपाक जाय, जांकां गोंयच्या बद्दलचे प्रेम आसा, आदर आसा, आनी भूमी गोंयकाराच्या हातान कांय वर्सां उरतली. ह्या संदर्भात काम करपी जाय. कांय वर्सां म्हणलें कितें 5 आनी 10 वर्सां न्ही. आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सम सेंचुरीज. ऑफकोर्स people will keep coming, keep going. Our constitution allows everybody freedom to come here. But then, in spite of all this, is there a possibility by which this whole thing could be retained? At one stage, we talked about special status for Goa, which is of course not possible today. But short of a special constitutional mandate, constitutional provision for a special status, can we do something else? I am talking in this term so that people hear me. And people on that, think about it and make some valuable suggestions. I have my own thoughts.
You think these suggestions of people of whoever has given would be taken seriously? Or फाल्यां आपणाक जाय तेच सजेशन तुम्ही घालतले?
ना तशें न्ही रे. आपले लोकांचे आयकूनय घालतले न्ही जाल्यार उपयोग कितें जालो?